morning, children. How are you? Are you finished your previous class homework? Okay. Once I will revise your homework. In worksheet page number 5, tick the child on the top. So here one house is given and two children are there. One is top and another one is bottom. So you have to put the tick for top one. Who is on the top? You have to put tick for that. So who is on the top? She is on the top. So upper one. One girl is top of the house and another one is bottom. So this is top. And next third one. Third problem. Tick the objects under the table. So here one table is there, on the table, above the table and under the table. So what is under the table? Under the table. Which is under the table? Ball. So put your tick for ball. Put your tick beside ball. Okay children, completed everybody. Now we are going to learn numbers from 1 to 9 and shapes also. Today we are going to learn numbers from 1 to 9 and its number names and shapes also, 4 shapes. Now I will show some shapes, you have to identify. So can you identify these shapes? So what is this shape? This is in which shape? Square shape. This is in square shape. This is in which shape? Rectangular shape. This is in rectangular shape. And this is in square shape. This is in circle. What is this shape? Circle. And more are there. Here small pictures like this. All these are in which shape? It is in which shape? Which shape it is? Triangle. And next this is square. This is circle. And this is also a circle. This is also a circle. Can you give some examples of square? So which objects are in square shape? Square shape. So what are the objects in square shape? What is this? This is a chessboard, no? So it looks like a square. So chessboard. Next, this is also in square shape. Carrom board. Give any one example of square shape. Square. Can you give any example of square? Which objects are in square shape? Okay, see here. This is also in square shape. And our next. What is this? This is Ludo game now. So this is also in square shape only. Understood? Square shape only. Some okay, next it is in which shape? It is in which shape? Rectangular shape. Our blackboard is in rectangular shape. Next, this mat. This is a mat. Mat in which shape? Rectangular shape. Next, this textbook. Textbook looks like a rectangle. Understood? Is it looks like a rectangular shape or not? Yes. And mobile phone. It is also looks like a rectangle. TV screens also. TV screens also looks like rectangle. Doors. So all those are in rectangular shape. Next, circle. So what are the objects in circle shape? Bangles. Bangles are in circle shape. Next, clock. Clocks also in square circle shape. Some of the clocks in square shape also. Understood? Some of the wall clocks in square shape and some of the clocks in circle shape. Okay. Next, pizza. Do you know pizza? So it is in which shape? Circle shape. Next, any more? Okay. Triangular shape. It is in triangle shape now. So give an example of triangle. Triangle. Which object looks like a triangle? Do you know what are the objects looks like a triangle? See here, this is like flag now. It's not like a flag. Okay. Sorry. This is like a triangle shape. Triangular shape. So for example, pizza. If you take a piece of pizza, it looks like a triangle shape. Understood? Next, in this, how many squares are there? How many squares are there in this? 1, 2, 3. 3 squares. Sorry, 1, 2, 3 squares are there. 1, 2, 3 squares. And here, are there any squares? Only one square. So this is 1. And one more square I have. This is also in square shape. This is also in square shape. So totally how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares are there. Next, how many rectangles are there? 1, 2. Only 2 rectangles are there. Circles, how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 circles are there. How many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles are there. Understood? 6 triangles are there. So, from here you learn shapes and number of shapes also you learn. Okay. Now take out your textbooks. Content book page number 14. Content book page number 14. Numbers from 1 to 9. Here from 1 to 9 numbers and its number names also given. So once I will repeat. Here how many brushes are there? How many objects are there here? Only one. So ONE 1. 2. TWO 2. Next 3. THREE 3. FOUR 4. FIVE 5. SIX 6. SEVEN 7. EIGHT 8. NINE 9. See here how many brushes are there here? Only one. So what is its number name? ONE 1. How many hats are there? 2 hats are there. So what is its number name? TWO 2. How many televisions are there? T screens. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 screens are there. So THREE 3. Next 4 caps are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. FOUR 4. 5 cakes are there. FIVE 5. And here how many cups are there? 6 cups are there. SIX 6. seven. Seven chocolates are there. So SEVEN, seven. 8 jam bottles are there. What is the spelling? What is the number name? EIGHT, 8. Next, 9 bottles are there. So NINE, 9. So once again read number names from 1 to 9. ONE, 1. I will write on the board. ONE, 1. TWO, 2. THREE, 3. FOUR, 4. FIVE, 5. SIX, 6. SEVN, 7. EIGHT, 8. NINE, 9. Repeat it again. Okay, children. Now open page number 15 in your textbook. So write the numbers and their number names. So here already they are given numbers. So in first column they are given numbers, and in second column they are given like dots. So complete, shade these dots. After that write 1 to 9 numbers and 1 to 9 numbers, and number names also 2 times. Write 1 to 9 numbers 2 times, and 1 to 9 number names also 2 times. Okay, children, write afterwards. And next here, shapes: square shape, rectangle shape, circle shape, triangle shape. Understood? So now open page number 16 in content book. Identify and color the shapes given below. Do you have crayons? So take out crayons and identify the shape. Identify the shape and color it. So color the triangle with green color. Triangles with green color, square with yellow color, and rectangle with brown color. So identify and draw first. Take out crayons. Take out your crayons. Now identify and color the shapes given below. Triangle, green color. So where is the triangle? This is in which shape? This is in which shape? Triangular shape. So we should shade this triangle with green color. And this is in which color? Which shape? It is a, what is this shape? Rectangle. So rectangle with brown color. So shade this rectangle with brown color. And what is the name of this shape? What is the name of this shape? Triangle. So triangle with green color. And this is in which shape? Like windows are there, no? So these are in square shape. So squares with yellow color. Squares with yellow color. And this is rectangular shape, and this is also in rectangular shape. So brown, and this is also in brown color. This is also a, what is the name of this shape? This is also a rectangle. So we should draw this one also with brown shade these 4 rectangles with brown color. And here 2 squares are there. Shade the squares with yellow color. Understood? So complete it first. Completed, Nana? Next. Open your workbook page number 7. Workbook page number 7. Count and write the number of birds sitting on the branch of the tree in each picture. See here, 2 pictures are there. In first picture, how many birds are there on branch? How many birds are there? 2 birds. So write 2. 2 bird are birds. 2 bird are birds. Which one is correct? 2 plural, no? So strike off bird. 2 birds. And next, in second picture, how many birds sitting on the branch? Only 1 bird. So 1 bird. Strike off birds. Strike off birds. Understood? Next, match the numbers with their number names. Here numbers and number names are there. Numbers, one side numbers are given and another side number names are given. We have to match these numbers and with their number names. Okay? So we should match that numbers with number names. 8, 6, 3, 2, 9. 3, 8, 9, 6, 2. See here, 8. Where is its number name? 8. This is 8 now. So this is 8. Where is 8? This is 8. Where is the number 8? Here. So what is the letter in front of 8? A. So we should write here A. 3. Where is 3? This is 3 now. Where is the 3? Here it is. It is nothing but C. Next, 9. Is there 9? Where is the 9? Here it is. So, E. E. Next, 6. Where is 6? 6. B. 2. 2. D. Okay? Ninth bit, write the number names of the given numbers. Write the number names of the given numbers. Here numbers are given. Beside that numbers you have to write the number names. So 6. Write number name 5, 2, 1. Here lines are given, so write neatly. 4, 9, 3, 8. So write number names. What is 6 spelling? S-I-X. This is 5. F-I-V-E. 5. This is 2. T-W-O. And this is 1. O-N-E. 1. Next it is F-O-U-R. 4. Next one is 9. N-I-N-E. 9. This is 3. What is 3 spelling? T-H-R-E-E. 3. This is 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Complete it fast. Now next 10th bit. Draw the following shapes. Here you have to draw 4 shapes. So take pencil and draw neatly. Draw the shapes. Square. Square. Next rectangle. Rectangle, circle, triangle, triangle. Is it a square shape? Is it a square? Yes. Next, rectangle, rectangle. This is circle now, so draw a circle. Draw a circle. Next, last one, triangle. Draw one triangle. Samosa shape also, like triangle, samosa also. Okay. Next. Understood, children? Understood for everybody? So once read square spelling. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Okay. Now give some examples of square shape objects. Examples of square shape objects. Carrom board, chess board. Okay. Next, dice also looks like, its face looks like a square only. Okay. If you see this duster, it looks like a rectangle. So rectangle. And next, this is also looks like a rectangle. What is this shape? What is this shape? Rectangle shape. And this is in which shape? circle shape. Next, this is in which shape? It looks like a square. And from this side also it looks like a square. Okay. Next, bangle in which shape? Bangle in circle shape. Next, triangle in what are the objects? What are the objects in triangular shape? Stickers. Stickers also looks like triangle only. Stickers looks like triangle shape. Samosa. So these are the examples of triangles. Okay. Now today's homework is